So how did I get this wonderful view of the Disney Wonder before setting sail on her? Well, I flew into Houston and stayed at the Harbor House in Galveston, Texas, the best pre-cruise hotel in town. Come with me. Here we are at room 302, which will be my room for the night. For one pre-cruise night here in Galveston, Texas. When a lady's staying by herself, that's necessary. Right as you enter, there's a bathroom and, of course, the bedroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Well appointed, nice, neat, and clean. Ooh, and a full-length mirror back here. Exiting the bathroom, there's the closet. With an iron and ironing board, so that's good. I actually have a few pieces that I did not iron before packing that I may just do so in the morning before heading to the port. Here's the bed. It's a king. And a nice little sitting area in the corner. Tables with a telephone and lamp. And a notepad and remote for the television. Nice desk and working area. My bags that I brought in before recording. And the view of the harbor. The reason I selected this room, it has a harbor view. So there we have it, here at the Harbor House in Galveston, Texas.